Welcome to our baking lab. This is a room that we specifically use only for doing our baking courses and baking products. As you can see here, we have all wooden tables instead of stainless steel tables, which traditionally a baker would use for doing all their breads and pastries and create all their wonderful creations on. We have in this room our most important piece of equipment that we have in here would be our proofer. So when we're dealing with yeast leavened breads, we're able to proof our bread in here, and for bread to be able to grow and expand the way it does, it needs the right environment. We need warmth, we need moisture, and so that's what this cabinet does. It's a giant proofing cabinet basically, in which we can put two of these racks in at a time, and it just wheel in and out. And when your bread is done and ready, we actually have this large oven in which you can load your racks into. Just like that. And then when you close the door, when the oven is running, it would actually pick that rack up off the ground and it will spin it around as the product inside bakes. So it evenly bakes from top to bottom and all the sides with a nice even circulation of air within it. And everything that we have in here as well that you'll find in a professional bakery, we have the large mixers for doing our large volume of dough mixing, and we have a couple of different styles. We have a rotary mixer, and we have the regular one that we have here, and we also have a bun portioning machine for doing some larger volumes than those, and also a sheeter. So when we're doing laminate doughs, such as making puff pastry in our programs and that, then we would use something like that. So we have all the great tools that we also need for our baking part of our courses.